Inoda kuya nenyaya yekuti zvino takasara taona vanhu vachingotaura nezvenyaya idzi, vamwe vanosunga atosiyana naye muspiriti futi. Hakuna kunzi nyaya haana atosha kuti sei ari kana. Tiri kutema nejudicial service commission. Our judicial system, they are on holiday. But I think if they don't want to work anymore, they must resign. I don't think kuti patanga nguva yese nema issues of corruption, in as much as effort has been made. Pati pava nemaconviction anopfuura 3 kana aripo ndiudzei. Pamwe hatosvikiko because dzimwe nyaya dzine corruption. What are they doing instead of convicting one vari kudira nyika vakatarisa? Are they part of it? Is there someone else who is telling them not to prosecute? People would want to know. Because at the end of it, zvakafana munhu arepwa obva asangana nemunhu wavakamurepa after 2 weeks in the same locality, in the same community. How would you feel? It's just not fair, and if they don't want to work anymore, they must just resign and leave their job. Equally, in as much as we appreciate the effort that is being done in this act, because my first days there at the planning one rock for also corrupt. What happened? Because all of a sudden they are so technical, they now understand the law more than anyone else, simply because they are trying to protect their individuals. Issue Tashkaneko was vitawo kuti ndozvatinazvo izvi tionewo vatotaura vachisungwa kana vachiti havana mhosva wewe utosunga isi nekuteta akiza vasina mhosva. But for them to do that, those that were alleged vane mhosva vanofanira kutanga vazvipuruva kuti havana. I bet the last drop of my blood kana munhu anenge kuda tagwira yakashaya mhosva haangavaite zvavanoda. Ndikazoguririgwa zvikumwe kusvika zvapera because in as much as people may want to cover these things, but it's time that they come to open, that they are dealt with. Vanoda kuti shoropo dzavo isi vaya hamuchingomira mutange mapedza nezvevavo, because people will think that wakadhakwa, and for sure vanenge vachibadhakwa. It is time as young people of this country to focus on things that are critical for our future. We have had people who are saying a lot of things, but it is time that we take the right direction. If you want to have this country in the Nika after 10, 15 years from now, it is time not to look at the individual who is doing something that is wrong, but to look at the wrong that is being done. The character, the behavior is more critical than anything else. Kana zvaita kuti ndekuda kwekuti tataura kudai ndingari kutaura imi ndima makateererai. And we have people who believe in what we are saying. And if you see value in what we have been saying here, if anything so happens, don't keep quiet about this issue, because there will be no more Zimbabwe. We expect people to react, but we don't expect the voice of reason to be silent. It is very critical that we understand. Some of us are not comfortable with positions where we can take you up, because I don't want to be part of the mess. Neither, and perhaps a lot of people who can't even say any word. But if it so happens that we are in some position where we have been incapacitated or whatever, do not keep quiet about this. Because by generations they will judge you because of what you say today, how you behave today, and perhaps in the